There's nothing on here.
I basically don't have to shave anymore.
Look at how smooth my arms look. I haven't shaved my arms in 2 weeks.
I just don't like body hair. It's not my thing.
Guys, it's super safe, easy.
No more than maybe 3 minutes. Click, 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 clickety, click, click, and I'm done.
You can use it pretty much anywhere on your body. You can use it on your upper lip, you know, your arms, your legs, your bikini area.
I literally use it everywhere else. I can proudly say right now that I am very, very clean.
It's only 1 time a week that you have to do it.
This little thing is a game changer. Like, I want my hair to grow back, and I don't want to spend a fortune to do it.
Well, this, it's not even for the money, it's for, if I'm gonna do something that's even a little bit uncomfortable, I want to do it myself in the comfort of my own home, on my bed or in my washroom, and like take my time doing it and not have a stranger up in my business. Just saying.
Get a 90-day money-back guarantee, but if you don't see results within those 90 days, then you can get your money back.
You could save so much time and money just doing it yourself.